Hello everybody, this is Perfect Cell, and I will be showing you how to answer the first of my challenges. Um, yeah, I did say it was pretty simple, but a lot of you guys overdid it. Basically, one of these computers down here aren't responding to a ping. Practically, what's the first thing you should check? Of course, you should check this guy, the DHCP server is dishing out an IP, and you see it's on, it has a pool name named master pool. Default gateway it dishes out, DNS it dishes out, where it starts, where what its subnet is, and for some reason I did this ending address. Whoopsies. Let's just, why did yeah, I must have been extremely tired when doing that, or I must have completely zoned out. But that was supposed to be the subnet, not that, but that's not part of the problem, so just ignore that. I kind of fucked up doing that. Not the problem. The first thing you should check is the firewall. So let's go into this guy, and we go software and desktop. Sorry, I was trying to go command prompt and IP config. You'll notice his address is 192.168.1.7. Open up this guy now. We'll do the same thing. We'll go IP config, and he's got .6. Oh, that's a lucky yes. And now all we need to do is go ping 192.168.1.6, and he gets a reply. But hold on, I'm pretty sure this is the address. He gets it from 4, which is another computer on the network, obviously. Gets it from 3. And gets it from 1. Should get it from 5, yep. But then, this may be getting really tedious and annoying, but it can be a real world scenario. So, we've roughly tested connectivity. We can all agree that most of these guys are talking to each other, because if you go into the router, you go config, choose fast Ethernet 0, and just scroll it down a bit, turn off the port, and you can see these turn red, which means it's not connected to anything, which means one of the endpoints aren't on. So we'll just turn that on, and now it's connecting to the switch because of orange. When it's green, we're good to go. Basically, this IP address here, where that green node is this 192.168.1.254, which for me is my most common in node. That's why I always have that as that address. And we go into the switch without moving my display thing. We can see all of its information about a switch. So I could have even confused you even more and decided to turn off internet for one of the computers like this. This guy now no longer has internet because his port is off. And now it's on. And there we go. He's got a little orange in there. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. And then they're both green. So now let's go on to this guy and ping our router. So we go 192.168.1.254. So, yep, router gets a reply. What about this guy? This guy seems special. Let's go to get his IP so I know to ping it from another computer. Oh, he doesn't have one. Would you look at that? So we go IP configuration, get it to DHCP, requesting. Is it going to fail? Yes, it did. This is because of one little thing. Where is it? Firewall. He's got a deny action for ICMP. So we'll just turn off the firewall and remove the rule, just in case you want to be that guy that adds a firewall later. Remove. Okay, never mind. We'll turn it back on and remove it. Nope, maybe not. Okay, love it. So firewall is now off. We go to this, make sure nothing's set statically in here. Oh, look at this. It got an IP address. Today was a good day. So we go back, and it got a DHCP IP address. Here it is, 192.168.1.15, subnet, DNS, and didn't get a gateway because I must have set it wrong up in there. So now, what do we do? Well, to make 100% sure this guy has got an IP address, yes he does. And in case you're wondering, yes, this was the computer that had the problem. This was the computer that wasn't responding to a ping because its firewall is on, with denying ping 192.168.1.0 0.0 add. Basically, this means it's going to deny all pings from the 192.168.1.0 network, which is 254 computers on that network, not going to reply to. So we'll just quickly close this, and we'll go command prompt ping.15. Oops, not 1115. It doesn't get a reply. Well, you may think, oh, there's no computer on the network with that. Well, there is. See, I can't really can, kind of, I guess. Not sure. We'll do it the faster way. If we go in here, 192.168.1.15, didn't get a reply. It's because I turned the firewall back on. So you just need to make sure the firewall's off. You go back into the computer, you go to command prompt, and it gets a reply. See, to all you guys who overdid it, not that complicated, but it was kind of a bit of a mindfuck at first if you're not used to the software. I guess I'll quickly do a tutorial on how to finish my second one. Thanks for watching.